Whew, man. Let's pull this big old motor out. All right. We need to go fit this. I'm not going to show this online. It's going to take me a little bit. I'm going to go over to my vise and try to wedge that bad boy on. But it's going to come in back here like so. Like this, I think. Huh? No? Like this. Yeah, like that. So it's going to come on this side. So when you do this, you put the motor, you just hold it up there and see where the shaft is out there. It's just sticking over a little bit. So when we put this on, we're going to want it like right at the edge. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my vise and try to wedge this thing on. I've seen a couple guys put it on there and get like a socket, a short little socket that fits over the top of this, and then hit it on. I was told by the manufacturer to if you have a vise, it's better to use a vise. Now you can slowly slide it on rather than hitting it with a hammer. And so once you get it started, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a little I think this is brass. We get it a little get that little edge. So it'll sit on there a little bit, yeah, like that. Okay. And we're gonna go over to the vise. So I'll be back in a sec. All right, guys, that was easier than I thought. Like you saw me like just the edge of it. That way it's slid onto the shaft a little easier. And once I got it on there, I just stuck it in between the vise and I just closed it a little bit. And then to get it started, once it got started, it kind of went on straight. And then I opened the vise up again and I made sure everything was straight. Cranked it about a little bit because it's so tight that the brass shavings inside here start pushing through. So you have to clean out the inside. So if you keep pushing it, it's just going to build up inside here. So you got to clean that out every time. Go a little bit, make sure it's cleaned out. Go a little bit, make sure it's cleaned out. And then at the end, it just comes right out. You can see how nice that is. It's not coming off of there. I mean, it's tight, so. And it should, let's see. That's how we did it, yeah. Yeah, look at that, perfect. Okay. You see that in there? It's gonna go on there perfectperfectly. Plenty of room for it. Sticks over because this is thicker than that, so it's perfect. Right at the edge of that. Worked good. Proud of myself. So, where do we want the wire? We might have to mess with that. So we will just kind of point it down here, I guess. Let's do that for now. It comes with these big screws. Let's get these started. Let's get it started. That's going to be a be like a 2 or so, 2.5. Drastic. Come on. It's my first time ever using an Outrun board motor here, so when you grab onto the edge here, it just kind of spins. I don't want it to be in the way. That might be all right there, though. So let's put this bad boy here. I might even put a washer on these. We'll see. I'm sure I'm going to have to pull this off and move it around a couple times. But for video purposing, I'm just installing it together. Make sure everything fits up and lines up. Leave everything loose. Slide this bad boy down. Man, my eyesight is so bad. Alright guys, I got it all together. Got the outboard motor in. Just nice and snug there. Hopefully that'll work. I did have to put a little shim there to get the motor to sit right. Hopefully that'll work. It should. I don't see any reason why not. It's that 3D printed part. You know, each time you do a 3D printed part, it's not going to come out perfect, you know, so yeah, so we're going to try that. See if I can get another one, maybe put a new one on there, see if it's a little straighter or not. This looked like, well, this one was missing a couple chunks here and there. But yeah, but it seems to be spinning good. It's nice, pretty smooth. And there you go, guys. RC hop-ups, transmission, motor. We're gonna end this video here. I do have the ESC in here still. And we'll all this back. In the next video, we'll do, we'll install this. The links, we'll have to figure out if we want this forward. Probably forward, put that weight forward. So it's going to be a little higher. That's why I kind of wanted to do the smaller motor, but I wanted this bigger one to be a little more torque. I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm not sure how these things work, guys. So, but we'll put this in, probably face this motor forward. we'll have to figure that out. So I know it spins a certain way, right? If we can switch this or not. I'm not sure if we can move these around or not. I'm sure, I know on the regular brushless motors you can do that stuff, so. And there's no programming on the ESC. So I guess you could do like a reverse on your controller, which I will have. I guess we can try it that way once we do it that way and see if that works before we start switching wires around and stuff. But yeah, so there you go, guys. rchopups.com. Yeah, there you go, guys. rchopups.us. Use Kurt's RC for 10% discount on all this stuff. And yeah, they got, you know, tools for this. 0.05. Comes in a 4-pack, which these are, you know, use the 1.52 with these. So the only one I haven't used yet is this 1.3. So that's like an otter ball size. I don't know what that one fits. So, but all right, enough rambling, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and have a great day.